Hello, welcome to Sav's GLAM Beauty. Today we are filming on a broad daylight. Daylight is the best light ever, so I'm super excited to be filming during the day. Okay, so today we will be making some exfoliating whipped brown sugar scrub. Okay, and as we all know, exfoliation is very good and it promotes new skin cells, and we all know how important that is. So we all know how important it is to exfoliate, and if you are looking into getting that youthful and glowing looking skin, you have to exfoliate. Okay, exfoliation is the key to getting that glowing skin. At least once or twice a month will be good. It depends on the kind of skin you have and all of that. So yeah, let's jump into this video. So I'm gonna be using this beautiful silver bowl, matte bowl. I don't know if you can see in here, but yep. I'm gonna also be using some Stevenson's foamy bath butter, and I'm gonna be measuring it out. I will be using 1 cup. Okay, I'm gonna be using this much. The spoon is too soft. My spatula is very soft. Oh, I think it's gonna be a big bash. I wasn't trying to do a big bash, man. But anyways, let's put the foamy bath butter aside and let's measure out the oils that I'm gonna be using. My main oil is the avocado oil. It's the avocado oil. I'm gonna be using 1/4 of a cup. And I am using some wheat grain oil. I'm gonna use 1/2 of a teaspoon. This is some good stuff. Some vitamin E oil, 1/2 a tablespoon. Like I said, vitamin E oil is a must in every cosmetics I make. Yep. I'm also taking some glycerin. I love glycerin, it softens. And I'm gonna be using 1/2 a tablespoon of glycerin. This is vegetable glycerin. I'm adding a little bit of honey, 1 teaspoon of honey. I will be adding some jojoba oil, just a few drops. And also, I'm gonna be adding some natural preservatives in here. I'm gonna be using 1/2 of a tablespoon. This body scrub is gonna be really, really rich. Okay, so these are all of my oils that I'm gonna be using in this body scrub, okay? So let's mix everything together. I can still see the honey under. It's gonna dissolve very quickly. Now that we are done mixing all of our oil, we need to set this aside. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna start with the lower settings on my little hand blender and see how that goes. So I am going to be adding a little bit of my carrier oil, not the whole thing. So this is how it's looking after whipping it with my oil and all of that. This is how it's looking. So I'm gonna start off with some brown sugar. I'm gonna be using this, half of a cup. I'm gonna add it little by little and see what it's gonna do. Okay. I'm adding another cup of this, and then I will be adding the white granulated sugar. It's kind of powdery a little bit. I don't like this texture, so I am gonna be tweaking it a little bit to give it that touch that I'm looking for, okay? But before I do that, I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of coffee ground. Okay. Okay, it's a big teaspoon. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna mix it, like hand mix it a little bit. So now for flavoring, I'm gonna be using this nice French vanilla that I love so much. I'm adding a little bit of one of my secret ingredients. I'm not gonna say. Please don't ask me because I'm not gonna tell, okay? So this is how it's looking. I love the texture. Yep. Okay. Let's put this in our jar. I'm gonna be using some 8-ounce jar, clear 8-ounce jar, and some full jar, okay? I'm gonna be using this bag to pipe it. And I will be taking my handy dandy red cup, aka So I'm gonna be showing you again how I fill my 8-ounce jar up because my better voice is in the video and I don't want to do that. So yeah, let's do this. I think it's too close. Okay, it's better. We're gonna go like so. Ooh, beautiful, so beautiful, y'all. Oh my God, focus, man. Yeah, focus. What's wrong with you? Can't you see how beautiful this is? Yes. So this is how it's looking. So this little batch gives me up to 4 jars, 2 8-ounce and 2 4 ounces, okay? Yep. And I guess I'll still have a little bit more left in the jar. Yep. Oh man, so I'm gonna be keeping this for myself. I just ran down the stairs to grab this jar. So yeah, that's why I'm breathing so fast, but I'm okay, Yep. So this is how much left, and I'm gonna be using it for myself. So stay tuned, and I'm gonna be showing you how it applies on the skin. You guys, look right here. I'm so proud. Yeah, look here. 4 ounces and 2 8-ounce. Okay, so like I said, the ones that are left for myself, which is this one, I'm gonna be trying it on my hand like so. Okay, I think that's too much, but yeah. Okay. Okay. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate you. Okay, bye-bye.